Alright, hey guys, Zero96 here, and today we're going to be looking at the GundamLoot December 2018 box. I got this December's standard GundamLoot box. Cost me about 26 bucks. I got it when it was on sale in this Black Friday. So I paid about, including shipping, it's like 35 bucks, which wasn't bad. So let's see what we have this month. If you don't know what GundamLoot is, basically it's like Loot Crate, but with Gundams. Pretty cool, right? Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Alright, GundamLoot December standard box. Operation Blue Ghost. It's December now. This means holiday parties, time off work, and probably a lot of staying in from the cold. Thankfully, we've opened a new box of awesome cold weather fun. Lots of things this month. HG Blue Destiny Unit 3, HG GM weapons, HG petit'gguy, G-Guy Tsetsuna, decal sheet. Blue Destiny Unit 3 is a pretty standard looking kit. But that's not a bad thing. It definitely looks more like the RX-78 or the Thunderbolt compared to X here, the seat suits. But that classic look is super popular. This kit looks like it has great articulation, and I love the double-barreled gun under the shield. With the GM weapons, you have a lot of options to further customize the Unit 3. The handguns or the long rifles look pretty cool. I love extra weapons since it can really make the kit stand out from all the other builds. You can further make it your own with the decal sheet. I just did a bunch of water slides this weekend, and they are kind of a pain to do, but they really do come out looking nice. I guess it's just something that takes practice. Finally, you will find the Tsetsuna bear. I'm sure I've said it before, but I love these Zero Gundam bears. They're fairly simple kits, but they look really good when finished. So, we have an idea of what we're looking at this month. Let's check it out, shall we? This is our sticker sheet. This is for gun cannon first type, cavalry squadron. Yeah, it's for this mobile suit. Boy, I can be using it on our Blue Destiny Unit 3. There's instructions on how to apply it. Let's see. GundamLoot card. Now, let's have a look at the actual kits themselves. So let's see here. petit'gguy, Tsetsuna F, say, blue and black card. Oh, nifty. GM weapons. Both fighter support weapon. Let's see how much runners this has first. Real quick. About 2. It's easy to build. Let's see how many runners the petit'gguy has. 1, 2, 3. 3 runners. And a lot of stickers. Cool. I'll do that later. Whatever. Anyways, and let's have a look at this finally. Here's our big boy. Our Blue Destiny Unit 3 exam. FSF. First produced mobile suit custom type. Kind of coincidental that this would include this, since I actually bought the Unit 1 last week. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Well, strap the bat. 3 runners in here, including polycaps. If you include polycaps, sticker sheet. 1, 2, three runners. 2 runners in here. And another 2 here. And this is going to be our premium bound die. This looks kind of important. But I don't speak Japanese, so I wouldn't know. This is the instructions for our Unit 3. And yeah, let's put all this away. So let's start off the bat. This is about 1600 yen, which is about 16 bucks over here. Not bad. Alright, and our petite guy. This is 500 yen, $5. And this is 600 yen, which is $6. So 16 plus 5, 21, plus 6, $27. I paid about 35 for this kit, so I guess it's not. Oh wait, almost forgot. Sticker sheet, $4. So that'd be about 30 bucks. Oh, that's not bad. That's actually pretty good considering the shipping costs and all that. So you'd be paying about that much if you were counting shipping. But yeah, this is a pretty good deal, and I can't wait to build these. Alright, see you guys, and have a good day or night.